Yes, we love the happy birthday song from all celebrity. So celebrity will love the vibe. See it? BTJ Jamaica, big up TV. We'll count the cake down now. One, two, three. So after three, you're gonna cut the cake. So one, two. BTV Jamaica, big up. Three. All right. Big up BTV Jamaica. Big up my boss. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Mary, 17210 Linden Boulevard. Come out every week. Have fun. Saturday, Tuesday. Very good. Fridays. Yeah, man. Thursdays also. Thursday fish night and bingo too. Yeah. Thursday, Wednesday is poker game. Escabage fish. Yes, we have escabage fish every Tuesday night and Thursday night. Friday, explain to them. Monday to Friday. Explain Monday to Friday.
Yes, on Mondays we have Mondays and Thursdays we have bingo. On Tuesdays, Friday and Saturday dominoes. On Wednesdays, Wednesdays we have karaoke night. And yes, Wednesdays we have karaoke night. Mondays and Wednesday and Saturday, that's domino night competition. We also have DJ competition. We have artist competition for 2019. We're going to play off for the artists. We have domino team. We're going to play off for the domino teams. We have a trophy for them first and second place, right? And we have a bingo night and everything. So all the artists, domino DJ, we have some DJ. We're going to run off the DJ too. They get trophy. So we have a big trophy for them for 2019. Those who win, the name will be on it for 2019. Then for 2020, then we have another one go all over. So everything is happening at Magic Touch 17210 Linden Boulevard. Mary say, yes, come on out and enjoy yourself. Each and every one. Big up BTV that is here with us. We are enjoying ourselves. So entertainment night. We have Oldies night. Oldies night gonna be on Friday night too. Just strictly Oldies night. Right. So each and every one, thank you for coming out. Enjoy yourself.